Let's look at how moving to Intune changes the on-prem architecture towards a more off-prem focused architecture. So we start with Active Directory, where all of our devices are joined. From there, GPOs, SCCM, printers, ADFS, WSys to control updates, all of these individual boxes are going to control that computer. However, that computer is only truly controlled while it's on-prem. We know that as times have changed, our devices have gone from an on-prem world to an off-prem world. Students and staff are taking their devices home. So here we have this great dividing line, and we need to cross that bridge of bringing our Active Directory to Azure Active Directory. And the tool we use to sync the two of those is called AD Connect. Once AD Connect is in place, Intune can kick in, and apps, policies, and updates can be delivered to the device. However, to control that device, it needs to first be joined to Azure Active Directory. So one way to do that is via a USB provisioning package. We have two tools to make that provisioning package: Windows Configuration Designer and Setup School PCs. When that package is created, it's put onto a USB stick, and that USB stick is inserted into the Windows 10 laptop at its first boot or out-of-box experience. That USB stick with provisioning package gives the computer instructions to join Azure Active Directory and Intune. Intune then pushes apps and policies to the device. Autopilot typically relies on a partner going in on behalf of the customer and pre-registering those devices in Azure Active Directory. This way, when the customer receives their device, it's already been joined to Azure Active Directory, and therefore students and staff can log in and begin work. There are numerous ways to join existing devices. 3 we'll discuss right now. One is to connect SCCM to Intune. The second option is to push a GPO instructing devices to join Azure Active Directory. The third option is to have a user log into their device and manually add a work or school account in order to bring that device into Azure Active Directory for sub-management. The best option of those 3 is SCCM connected to Intune. This solution will avoid conflict as well as management overlap. There is a fourth option, which is to register these devices in Autopilot and then do a reset of the device so that it's brought into the Intune management pane.